Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Zetachain coin. Ticker symbol is Zeta. This coin is getting actually a couple brand new central exchange listings, maybe many more, but definitely two big ones were just announced recently for the Zetachain. We're going to go over the information on this project and how you can get this coin in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this project here. So Zetachain is the foundational public blockchain that enables omni-chain generic smart contracts and messaging between any blockchain. It solves the problems of cross-chain and multi-chain and aims to open the crypto and global financial ecosystem to anyone. Zetachain envisions and supports a truly fluid multi-chain crypto ecosystem where users and developers can move between and appreciate the benefits of any blockchain, payment, DeFi, liquidity, games, art, social graphs, performance, security, privacy, and so on. So name of the coin or token is Zeta. Ticker symbol is Zeta, and it's actually an ERC-20 token. I would assume that they are eventually going to migrate to a coin or also have a coin. But this one specifically is an ERC-20 token. And there's a max supply, a max total supply of 2,100,000,000 Zeta tokens here. And how the token is split up, basically the token metrics allocation. It says 10% goes to the user growth pool, 5.5% liquidity incentives, 12% ecosystem growth fund, 22.5% goes to core contributors, 16% purchasers, 24% protocol treasury, 10% goes to validator incentives. Now they have a web page, zetachain.com. Over there you're going to find tons of info. Now if you want an insane amount of information, because these blockchain white papers, even the light papers, are giant and have tiny print, there is a white paper that you could find at zetachain.com/whitepaper.pdf. So this token is getting two brand new central exchange listings. One of them is on gate.io, and another one is on Kucoin. So right now on Gate, they are doing a startup. So it's initial free offering, it's called, and subscription here starts January 28th and goes until January 30th. So it starts tomorrow, 12 p.m. UTC time, and goes until January 30th. There's airdrop value of $60,000, and you can find more information about this free offering here at gate.io_startup. They don't give an exact date as of yet for the listing for this token, but if you follow that Twitter that I just named there, they are going to announce on there when exactly the listing will be. And then if you go over to Kucoin's Twitter, they just announced recently that this token will also be listed soon on Kucoin. I don't know if they give an exact date yet on Kucoin. There it just says coming soon. So this was just announced January 26th on Kucoin's Twitter at KucoinCom. It says world premiere, new listing. Zeta gets listed on Kucoin, ERC-20 token paired with USDT, trading to be announced. So just be aware of that this will be listed soon on Kucoin and Gates, but you'll have to stay tuned for more announcements to find out when exactly. So it says simple, fast, and secure omni-chain blockchain. With Zetachain's omni-chain smart contracts, build truly interoperable dApps, decentralized applications, that span multiple chains from Ethereum to Bitcoin and beyond. Access all of crypto from one chain. So it says 14 million plus cross-chain transactions, 200 plus ecosystem partners, 3 million plus testnet users, one entry portal into all of crypto. The crypto industry is rapidly innovating, growing, and expanding. New blockchains and layers on top of those blockchains pop up every day, making the industry more and more complicated for both developers and users. Apps built on Zetachain connect to anything in the crypto ecosystem, giving you a simple, seamless, and secure access to all of crypto as it was meant to be in one single place. So it says future-proof applications for app developers. Choosing a blockchain ecosystem can feel daunting. So with Zetachain, you can rest easy knowing that you have access to any blockchain. With omni-chain smart contracts, you can deploy your code once the future-proof of your applications here, and it says simplified access for consumers, access to the internet with all of your assets, data, and Web3 ecosystem without needing to manage multiple wallets. One-stop shop for developers. Zetachain enables devs to build and deploy apps that work across chains from a single place. Minimized risk for your assets. With Zetachain, funds in motion have minimized attack surface, and funds at rest are never at risk. Built for interoperability, Zetachain is the only public decentralized blockchain and smart contract platform that enables message passing and value transfer between any blockchain. Our omni-chain smart contracts give you the power of programmability to non-smart contract chains like Bitcoin and Dogecoin. No other blockchain enables full interoperable smart contracts like we do. And there's a bunch of news articles on their page, or blogs. Basically, you can check out both. But yeah, they have the blog articles on here about airdrops, token utility and rewards. And yeah, they have within the project here, they have so much stuff involved: DeFi, NFTs, collectibles, governance, identity, gaming, fashion, social, payments, portfolio management, media, etc. If you want to get in touch, you can contact them. They have tons of partners listed on here, like 12 different partners. Frequently asked questions. At the very bottom of their page, they have an insane amount of links. You can check out their Explorer at explorer.zetachain.com. But yeah, this new ERC-20 token is getting some big central exchange listings soon, so go check it out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.